This is my Animal Crossing house. I don't know if you can see this really well, because this is a Shay's camera. This is my house. As you can see, golden roses everywhere. This is my Asian influenced room with surfing music. I know, LOL. Pretty sweet. This is my pink room. Everything's pink. Pink to pink. I like themed stuff. This is, I don't know what this room is. It's basically all my random stuff. I have Nintendo stuff. I'm wearing one of the crowns. Got to show you my pink room to the back. Hold on. I have the rare katana, the white one. It costs a lot of money. Fucking shanked me. Here is my soon-to-be completed mushroom set. Just need the wallpaper and the tile. And last but not least, oh god damn it. It's really hard to fucking record while holding a camera. I have mail. I'm gonna check that later though. And this is my emo room. Everything's black and white. So emo. That's my emo song. Might change it. But, yep. That's basically about it.